If you're looking to reach other businesses online, there is only one place you need to be right now, and that's LinkedIn. It's B2B Walmart, or Big Tesco if you're from the UK. It has everything and, more importantly, everyone you need to work with in order to win more business. There are 65 million decision makers on LinkedIn as of 2023, and over half of those are senior decision makers who will vet a company's content before making a purchasing decision. With that out of the way, I'm going to show you 3 things in this video: how to set up your company page, growing your followers, and posting that content for those decision makers to get hooked on. Before we get into it, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can keep creating these videos for you, because if you don't, Dean will replace me with ChatGPT or a robot preloaded with some LinkedIn stats. To create your own page, first log into LinkedIn. Then head over to linkedin.com/company/setup/new. Or just follow the link in the description below. It's a lot quicker. Now, you want to select company because you're not a school and you don't need a showcase page if your business doesn't yet exist on LinkedIn. And by the way, if you're interested in showcase pages, comment and let me know and I'll run through it in more detail, but for now, it's really not relevant. So click company page and you'll come across a form to fill out all about your new page. So this is what you'll need for your profile: your name, the URL you want associated with your new page. This is best left as your company name. Website, if you don't have one, I recommend a landing page or a YouTube channel, somewhere where people can learn more about you. Industry size of your company, a logo with an image 300 pixels tall and 300 pixels wide, something like this, and a tagline, a brief description of what your company does. This is important to get right because people looking for your services will find this page if your tagline matches what they're looking for. It has to be SEO optimized, essentially. Here's an example. If you provide cybersecurity, securing your online system from cyber attacks. If you're providing catering services, feeding you and your guests. If you're providing ice cream, I'll have mint chocolate chip, please. All you have to do then is verify you are authorized to represent the company and click create page. Now your page isn't yet done yet because you need a branded header at the top. Here's an example of ours. Notice how it has a result in it. Your header is another place to drop your message, a phrase that says we can get you that desired result. So how do you make your own header image? Introducing Canva. You've probably heard of it. It's a free design platform with some premium features. All you need to do is sign up and log in and click custom design on the top right. Now enter 1128 times 181 pixels. Like this. You'll be greeted with an empty design and you can use the templates, but be aware you can't export premium assets. So unless you want to upgrade, stick with the basics and delete any assets with the watermark on. Otherwise you can't remove them. To get your image, click share, click download, and click download again. Let's get this on your company page. Click on the pencil icon on the top right of the cover section of your company page. Click upload cover image, select your image, and click open. Adjust your image if necessary and click apply. Boom, you've got a new company page. Now, it's time to get people to actually follow this new page, but before we get started with inviting, you need to preload your page with some content. Your page needs to be active and viable for people to want to actually follow it. Not many people are going to follow your page by name alone, especially if you're not a household name already like Coke or Virgin Media. So, what do you actually post? Content on your LinkedIn page is no different from any other piece of content out on the internet. Think of your content like you would crossing a road. So, you have to stop, look, and listen. A hedgehog taught me that. Your content has to make people do all 3 of these. Stop scrolling, look at the post, and listen long enough to get the message. I'll create a whole video about content structure in the future, so you know what to do. If you want to skip creating from scratch and want a great way to fill your feed, you can check out the content suggestions at the top and the content, or by posting relevant industry articles, your lead magnets, maybe a landing page, or a poll to learn more about your audience. Content is probably the most important part of growing your business's LinkedIn page, so remember to post relevant content regularly. If you want content ideas, check out our content lab in the description below. It'll help you uncover hundreds of ideas for content that teaches people your value and drives some engagement. It's time to start inviting people. The best part about LinkedIn page is you can invite your connections to follow. You'll get 250 credits per month to invite your connections, but you get a credit back every time someone accepts. On your company page, just click Invite Connections on the top right and select who you want to invite. If there are multiple senior team members in your company, you can make them admins on your page and use those credits to invite your top prospects. You can manage your admins under the Admin Tool tab at the right of the page, and after you built your page to at least 150 followers and it's been a month, you'll have access to LinkedIn Live. When you put on these webinars frequently, people will follow your page during and after the live event. It's a great way to boost your followers and get fresh eyes on your business. Create live webinar events framed around your offering, making sure they're packed with value. meaning people who attend have fresh insights, things to do, and something to really sink their teeth into. If you want to learn more, check out our How to Fill Your Event video on our channel. Finally, we have newsletters, and your company page can have its own newsletter, and LinkedIn will notify all of your page followers to subscribe when you post for the first time. So, use this one when you've built up a good number of followers. Click on the plus icon next to newsletter and choose your title, how frequently you'll put out your newsletter, and a description. You'll also need a logo the same size as your business logo. Here are a few tips for your newsletter. Make sure your featured image draws people in. Make it impactful by adding your title in the image, and you can also create these on Canva, 1280 by 720. And with these newsletters, don't make it all about your company, make it about value and insights. Regularly post content, put out a monthly webinar and a weekly newsletter, and soon enough you'll have a thriving company page. Thanks for watching. If you want us to take a look at your company page and give out some tips, head over to my LinkedIn and drop me a message, and I'll be happy to do that for you. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.